Shark head! Back again for another episode. Today we're at Lake Piru. Siri likes to call it Piri. So this place is known for camping, fishing, water sports, metal detecting. It's just outside the San Fernando Valley, right in the beginning of Ventura County. Let's go have some fun. So here's the brake line. You cannot pass this. The water is pretty murky, but that's to be expected in a wake zone. I started swimming back to shore so we can go back to the campsite, barbecue it up, and make some s'mores. But on our way back, we saw this little tarantula. Take 2 graham crackers, grab yourself a brick of Hershey's, place that in there, 2 marshmallows, clamp down, gently pull out. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh yeah. Shark head. Shark head.
I'm making s'mores. This is I made the perfect s'more.
Shark head.